Okay, we're good. So yeah, hey everyone, welcome to the stream. Next here. Okay, now we have correct chat things. Live chat. There we go. So today we're gonna be doing Gentoo stuff. You're using the laptop. I'm using a laptop. I'm using a Dell thing. It's been featured on the channel several times. Oh, okay. It's already booted up. So you won't be able to see anything for this first bit, but I'm just gonna get logged in. Oh, flipping.
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically.
Oh, okay, because I remembered you endeavoured a laptop. Yeah, I endeavoured a laptop. Spam that F12 key. Yeah, the laptop I endeavoured does not have endeavour. Shut up, Microsoft. Yeah, the laptop R4 flash cards legal. Yes, as long as you don't use them for illegal purposes, they're legal. UEFI SanDisk. So for this first bit, you won't be able to really. That's Endeavour OS. I booted up into Endeavour OS on instinct. Not instinct, just. I can't speak today. Okay, please excuse my inability to speak. UEFI SanDisk. It's this one. Has Gentoo finished has Gentoo finished compiling? Well, that's what we're going to be doing on this stream today. We're going to compile Gentoo. Except not much. I have messed around with Gentoo in a virtual machine, but when it comes to post-install stuff, I will need some help from some of you. Get ready for the very hot USB and SD. Well, we won't be using SD cards today, but the USB stick. Yeah, the USB stick might get kind of hot. So, first things first, we need the handbook. .gentoo.org/handbook. That's what it said. Did I type something wrong? Or just wiki.gentoo.org. What does that even say? I can't read. The USB will probably catch on. Yeah, it probably will actually. I'd like to move this onto this. Oh, come on. Okay, that's lit. So, to start an SSH server on this system, type etc init.d and then we do a start. So Gentoo handbook. We need to do the x86 handbook. Handbook. That's what we need. So, let's go. Are you using Windows 7 for running the WWebs? No, this is a Windows. If I just go into my main screen here, this is just my main screen, and it's OS. Yes. No, it's an overlay. Yes, she uses Windows 7. I don't use Windows 7 and don't. And that's... One, I don't use Windows 7. Two, that's the wrong pronouns. I don't. good. We're good on hardware requirements. Minimal installation CD. Yes, we have done the minimal installation CD. Downloading. I have media on a USB stick already. Oh, here we go. Accounts. I need to configure the network. Maybe it just works if the system is connected to. I need to do. Oh, okay, yeah, that's IP link. You can't see anything, right? Okay, we have a WLP. Huh? OS window manager. No, I'm gonna try and run. Like configuring WEP. I don't want to use WEP. Obtaining. How do I do this with Wi-Fi? Haiku isn't. Yes. Crap. Where did I put that dongle? I don't know where I put that dongle. As I need a dongle. Not WM, I meant virtual machine. Oh, so VM. Linux. Yeah, this is Linux. This is Linux for you. Yeah, the IW is only available on the... Oh, IW. IW. Oh, we have IW. Do not screenscape this tool. We don't consider its output stable. Don't want scripting. So I want to IW dev WLAN. No, it's not. It's WLP0S20F3 info. Yeah, I know. Besides Tiny that, I think, besides Tiny 10 or Tiny 11, I think Windows distros are stupid. Yeah, Windows distros are stupid. So, what is this? Link. Link. Not connected. Connect. I need to connect it to no. Okay, I think I am actually going to need to find that dongle. Okay, be right back. And now I believe we can at this ETH024. Yes. Oh yeah, pass WD. Actually, Gentoo. So we're in SSH. I'm gonna clear this and just shut the lid of the laptop so we can, alas, clear. So we have this here and we can do things with this. There's Bitwarden open. I'm gonna need to fix that. I'm just gonna put blank screen on while I close out Bitwarden. Okay, we're back. So, I'm gonna and then put that there. Maximize that. Microphone. Oh no. So for context, there was this post that I just shared that there's this post where it's a Samsung phone running Gentoo. It's funny. Yes, I just got this from somewhere. And okay. So let me see what I can do about my desktops. So put this there and that there. In the, I said Arch install guide. In the Gentoo install guide is do the thing, which I've already done. Preparing the disks. So, introduction, designing a partition scheme. Yeah, I know. Is this CF disk? As I prefer CF disk. Maybe I'm using this. Delete. Okay. BIOS boot. Okay. And we've got some love hearts in the chat. Nice. Wait, yeah. So we've done everything. Creating file systems. I'm just gonna do ext. What does that say? My guy really sudo rm-rf/dev/sdax for real. Well, it's not SDA. I'm not using SATA. Don't worry, I'm using NVMe. As this is a actually modern-ish laptop, so it uses NVMe. So ext4. So just do that. Okay. Make fs.ext4/dev/ no. Yeah. Dev. Actually, Friday, November 15th. On wait, Friday, November 15th? Yeah, this Friday. I never used this. I didn't use this computer on this previous Friday. Okay. 3. Contains ISO 8859 text with really long lines with no line terminators data. Can someone explain what the flip that is? I'm gonna format it, but I don't know what that is. And this will take a while because, yeah, make fs.bat 32. P2, NVMe 0N1 P1. There we go. Now, I would Google it if I were you. Okay, I'll Google this. Notice that it contains that. What is this? Okay, well I'm gonna. That's the wrong. Boom. Oh yeah, I need this. So preparing the discs. I don't have one, so we do just this. Okay, that's the wrong one. Mount /dev/sd no n1 p2 /mnt/gentoo. Whoa. 0N1 P1. There we go. All mounted. If temp needs to reside on a separate partition, it doesn't. Installing the Gentoo files. CD. So we CD into. I believe it's correct, but I'll just check. Yeah, today is Sunday, November 24th. Main website's download section. Oh wait, what was that message? What is Gentoo Linux? Correct. My display is way too tiny. Oh, and live chat. Downloads. I'll just get this one. Copy link. Right, yep. And then it was just wget, paste the URL. Okay, wget, paste the URL. Next. Do that. There's a lot of waiting involved while installing Gentoo. Just going back here. How's this, Linux? Here, I'll send a penguin in chat. Why not? Can I just go here? No, that's search. That's chat. Penguin. I'll send a penguin in chat. I find it silly how Microsoft is making Windows more like Linux with winget and the sudo. Wait, 24H2 is a sudo command? Sudo command now, okay. Well, that would be useful in case I ever. At this point, just dual boot a WS. I never use Windows without WSL. If I'm actually using a Windows install on real hardware, I always install WSL. Okay. Comment Windows 7. I'll pin your message. But first you need to enable makes sense. That's why I never saw it. Penguin. Okay, well, is this still in my clipboard? Yes, it is. Oh gosh, we're doing the things here. Okay, we're good. What are you for? It configuring compiler options. MRH native O2 pipe. I will add that to common flags. I'll actually just copy the code. Oh yeah, 6 requires at least 12 gigs. Someone just say hi. Hey. How do you pronounce that? Ardell Prime. Sorry if I just butchered that, but hello, welcome to the stream. So, using a large number of jobs can significantly impact memory consumption. A good recommendation is to have at least 2 gig RAM for every job specified, so J6 requires at least 12 gigs. Well, in that case, I'll do J12. I'll actually do hold on. Yeah, J12 will require 24. J16. Out of this. To stream. Also known as C11. Oh, hello. Thank you for joining the stream. I'm not revealing who you are, but I do know you. Oh, emergence jobs. Do you know what? Install the base system. I do not even care anymore. Copy the DNS info. Because I was not copy pasting every single command. Oh, I can simply just be replaced by this. Do that. I mean C13, I misclicked. Change route. Entering a new environment. Alright, preparing for a bootloader. I think we have this. Alright, configuring portage. Oh, here we go. I'll be back, okay. Oh, what? Invalid token. Line 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's an example that he gave on the thing. I'm actually just gonna get rid of it. Do you know what? I'm just getting rid of it. Doing this again. Oh. Invalid token C flags. just gonna ignore it. I'm just gonna ignore it. Sea flags. Okay, well, I'll see what I can do to troubleshoot. Go back. Gentoo, yeah, Gentoo ain't Gentooing. Do that with Nano? To suspend? No, just try this again, So it's... Just get rid of these 2 lines. Can I do this? Oh my gosh. Just gonna get rid of these. I'm actually getting rid of these. Gentoo ain't Gentooing. I'm gonna pin your message actually. Replace pinned message. What is going on? Gentoo ain't Gentooing. Good, it didn't. Here we go. Yes. Emerge them. Alright, we're compiling! Yay! We have 7. Okay, yeah, we're good. Stream health, analytics. Yeah, we're good. No. Control C. That. Oh, here we go. I have to leave. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the stream. Let's select UK ones. Hit OK. Update on slow terminals. I'm gonna do this one. Just because I want speed. Progress is being made. Progress is being made. I will pin. I'll give you a pin. Oh my gosh! Expected. No. Stop recording. Windows XP screensaver. It was paused, but it was still going to eat up the battery, so I turned it off. Oh my gosh. Did this phone just die? Check. Oh no, we're good. That was expected. The Gentoo phone? No, the an iPhone that I was just using as a camera. Yeah, this is not the Gentoo phone is not my phone. I just found it somewhere. I just found that image somewhere. Oh my god. Important. Where am I reading important? I don't know where I'm reading important from. Alright, news items. Profile list. Select profile list. So we are currently on this 24. I want to switch to 28. Can't load module set. Oh, profile set. Yeah. Just local mirror. I was just trying to focus. Save permission. Yesterday. Okay, what is this? Yesterday I learned there's an IRIX mode on top. Simplified text. Me, odd bike, and yeah, there's really no one here. Oh yeah, I forgot I need to do my ping. Do my ping yet? Go notify video uploads. Paste in the link. Actually, just trim off that of the link. And then red circle. There we go. I did my ping. Where else? Ping. If you need me to time out anyone in the live chat, DM me the name or say who to time out. I can time out. But it's nice to have mods to time out. On that date. That's fine. I'm configuring the USC variable. Okay. Let's see here. These use USC, whatever they're called. These flags look okay. I'm gonna leave them. If I need to change them, I'll change them. DVD, ALSA, and CD recording support. Let's use this. One in /etc portage make.conf. I don't think. ID to CPU flags. Shut this laptop because I don't want burning. Well, this is fine. Then copy the output into that. I'm just gonna copy it. I don't even know. So apparently the amount of penguins on the terminal boot screen represent the amount of processors your computer has. What? I have not seen penguins on my boot screen. I'm just done. Intel installation. I'm actually just going to install the PC has no. Your PC has no proxies. About that. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, flipping. But yeah, my PC doesn't have any proxies, so yeah. I'm laughing at the typo because typos are sometimes funny. Anyway, video cards. Yes, video cards. We've done video cards. Do every single on a per package basis. Need to go into make.conf. I'm actually just going to install these as these are useful. Do this and oh hey, welcome to the stream. Right now we are getting, what did I miss? Well, you missed image. You missed me doing the what did you actually miss? Yeah, sorry for the late ping. It was a late ping because I just forgot to ping. So there's you missed not much, yeah, because everything went wrong. Since Gentoo won't Gentoo. Yeah, Gentoo, you missed Gentoo, not Gentooing. That's what you missed. Yeah. Oh! Got some reactions from Odd Bike, 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 and Odd Bike. I'm not doing I'm not gonna fish this stream. Not literally, I'm not fishing this stream up, but yeah, anything in the stream will be about Gentoo compiling that. No, this is compiling and setting up Gentoo from nothing. Let's see. What is this USB stick? A verbatim. What is this? Don't even know what's on here. A verbatim 2 GB USB stick. Yeah, this is taking forever. I shouldn't have added that many USE flags. Did you heard about Termux? No, I have not heard about Termux. Yeah, apparently. So, yeah, what's this YouTube notification? I got a YouTube notification. KDE on Windows from Michael MJD. This is the real Lindos. Save this for after the stream because I don't want to. I'm not watching Michael MJD while I'm on live. Yes. Yes. What? Why are the memes about Linux users installing a web? Oh, because people think it's like the hardest thing ever because there's this one thing called the command line, which we're in right now. So you have to type. It's literally all you have to do. You just have to run. Hold on. That's not the right shortcut. You just have to run. But doesn't matter. I'm getting rid of that and updating the world set. Well, it's optional, so. Alright, so it's just LN. I am currently installing VS Code inside Ubuntu with XFCE on an Android tablet with Termux next to the stream. People bashing their head on walls not being able to use @/Pacman. Oh yeah. I'm gonna screenshot this. Do you know what? I'm screenshotting this and putting it in a save. Memes. No, I'll put it in garbage. There. -SF zone user share zone info Europe London /etc/local time. I messed up. TIME and RM-RF/etc/local TIMNE. There we go. Configure, okay, locale gen. Make that an emoji or a sticker. Okay, well, I'll do that after the stream. So, what was I doing? Nano/etc/ You should make that line an emoji/sticker for the server. Oh, message retracted, okay. /etc/ YouTube notification. Michael MJD running KDE on Windows video 3 minutes, and that's exactly what I was talking about. Need this one and EN US GB UTF 8 UTF 8. Save it. Locale list. So select low forward. Now reload the environment. I don't know. /et list cd.log. L2, but Michael MJD made a video about forgotten port. Okay. Configuring the kernel! Alright, everyone, you ready to install the kernel? Well, you're not doing it, but are you ready for me to install the kernel? Take that as a yes. So, I have done this. kernel Linux. Will the stream last for years or end the stream before it compiles? Well, let's find out. Oh gosh. Okay, so we should be up and running with Gentoo in around half an hour, so we're good. So I'll see here. I would have. Oh yeah, I'm pinning that. I'm pinning that. I'm going to replace the PC has no proxies. Pinned. Having that many use flags. Okay, we're in. Oh, what have I just done? No. My stub. I'm actually going to do this. Okay, time for half 4. You have a new friend invite? What? The weather for you, it's weather. It's windy, that's for sure. It's windy. It's so windy that they had to issue a warning for wind. I think I need working sleep. I need working sleep, so you better check for it. It's doing. 16GB tablet from 2017 won't. I can't speak. Please excuse my inability to speak. Good to know. A 16GB tablet from 2017 won't run GNOME. A T310 with 4GB of RAM and 1.4 gigahertz. Well, use something else. Use another thing that supports Wayland because it's a tablet, and with my experience, tablets are not really the best with X11. Even install. No idea I have no idea what it's doing. That's what I was trying to say, but apparently I can't. What is this? And it's Huawei. Hold on. Make that an emoji. I'll do it after the stream. Huawei pronunciation. Here we go. Google.
Huawei.
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 Oh gosh, do I really want this to? Do I really want this to use my microphone? Huawei. Good job. Yeah, they don't do it for this. You can just
Huawei.
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 Huawei. Yeah, that's your Huawei pronunciation. Alright, finally done. Oh no. A sticker after this. So, let's just say I have another tablet, but it's running even older, Android 4.4. The one I'm currently using was Android 8. That. What just went? I'm back. What happened? What's the? Oh no. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to do this again. Yes, merge. I really need to fix those, use flags. Actually, wait a minute. The use flags are good, I believe. So yeah, no. I believe we're good. How's the laptop coming along? Oh gosh. Oh god, wait, the touchscreen! The touchscreen! Hold on, I'll take a video. I'll take a video of this. I got my phone out, so I'm just going to take a video of the touchscreen. How do I install VS Code from tar.gz file on Ubuntu? Oh my, ARM64? Well, extract tar.gz file and just put it in user local bin. And then run it. Make your own .desktop entry as well. But yeah, look at this, the touchscreen works. I'm filming this, so I'm talking to the camera. Listen, I'll post this in media chat. Media, that's bot commands, media. There we go. Sent a video over. We are doing no. That. Yeah, we have to fix the bin host because it's giving me a 404. Whoa, we got a whoa in. Mint is probably one of the easiest things to install. We're compiling system D. Yeah, I need to get this bin host thing fixed because we're an hour in. We are an hour and 10 minutes in. Well, if this is going to take a while, I might as well get comfortable. Installed Linux Mint on my friend's laptop from around 2010. It had a Windows 7 sticker on it and connected to 5G Wi-Fi. It was about the same speed as my $500 PC with Windows 10. I'm just reading chat out while I'm doing. gosh, I just realised how much we're compiling. We are installing. Okay, we're done. Install additional packages. I'm gonna just. Arguments. What is this say? I forgot I used a tutorial to install VS Code at Android and just figure out what to do after downloading the tar file. Can I not do this? Full automation approach. So, module signing. Yay! Signing. Find a tablet with Termux and Prute distro. What is Prute distro? Alright, what is this? Prute distro from Termux. A bash script wrapper for utility Prute for easy manage of root-based Linux distribution installations. It does not require root or any special ROM kernel, etc. Okay, I'll look into it. Configuration. We are emerging 2 of 3. We're fetching files in the background, so yeah. We're applying patches, I believe. Right, we're done. Once the kernel is installed, the package manager it's doing that. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I need to fix that bin host problem. To install VS Code, and after completing the tutorial I found out I could just download the deb installation package for ARM. First, IE select. configuration. So let's assigning the kernel image. Yeah, this is the configuring the system. BLKID. Skip install sudo rm-rf/no preserve root. Okay. Doing that, and I did -rm so it wouldn't even work. Alright, so me 0 and 1. 1p1. You scared me. Yeah. Do it as a joke. /EFI vfat. Just get rid of the swap here. We don't have swap. And then dev nvme0 and 1p2 is that. And this is ext4. me0 and 1p3. Do you know what? I'm just going to copy this line. WMs do you have on your main PC? I have Hyperland and no, it's not possible to my knowledge. Alright, what these? I have KDE and Hyperland, but I've not really used Hyperland on this install. I'm thinking of just removing it. So how do I copy? No, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to copy. Bad. Installed it, but it didn't work, but it allows you to install it. Hostname. Oh, hostname. I'm going to just do the hostname thing. And oh my flipping. This app's Flatpak. Do you play any instruments? Not often. If not, what would you like to play? I would actually like to get into drums. I am getting lessons in drums, but yeah, I'm not really the best drummer in the world. Well, on the topic of listing weird musical instruments, a ruler. A ruler is a musical instrument. Anyway, Del. What? Okay, oh yeah, I need to do DHCP CD. What? Well, welcome back. I am doing the post configuration. Hello world. I'm just doing configuration stuff. Can I not do this? Alright, it's nano etc host. I find it much more calming when you're a small channel, since you don't have to worry about weird fan bases in your streams and your servers, less chaotic. Yeah, I like swearing in chat is prohibited. Yeah, thank you, Talker Cube. Yeah, I said don't. Typed in the N word, but it didn't show in stream. Not allowed. Well, for trying. Where is the timeout button? Yeah, you get timed out. So, back to this. Nice. Said okay, so, well, thank you for, all of a sudden became a big channel. Yeah. Alright, pass WD. Time for passwords. Alright, alternatively, if no one else can see a terminal now, you can pick this as your password. Party Doombite. Well, you all can see my both y'all are amazing. Yeah, all of you can see my terminal right now, so I'm gonna do my system logger, cron daemon, file indexing, shell completion, networking tools, dial-up. I'm just going to install a system logger. Right, bootloader time. Everyone for joining. I'm not ending the stream, I'm just thanking all of you for just being here with me. I have MJD. I have his channel. So we're at sort of the final stages. Linux. Well, the kernel's already installed. We already have a kernel. I am back. And perfect timing. Grub's installed. God. Oh my God. Okay. Grub installed. I said as tigers. I pronounce it as tar.gz. I typed an install. I can't do this. Install. Installation finished, no error reported. Right, so secure boot and then do grub make config. Right, so grub make config -o/boot/grub/grub.cfg. Perfect. Did the thing. Go down. System D. Secure boot. Oh, that's it. That's actually it. It's going down for reboot now. I'm going to record a video. Get the camera out. Alright, we got the camera out. Oh yeah, connection closed. Enter. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Mom, get the camera moment. Look at this. Alright, let's log in. How much is the timeout? I'm sorry. Can I timeout, people? Oh, timeout. We're officially in. Oh my gosh, now. Nice. Hi, thank you. I removed your timeout. I just did that by giving you a 10-second timeout, which is overwritten your. Finally, yeah. Now, SSH, do the same thing. Oh, remote host identification has changed. It could be possible that someone is doing something nasty. I'm gonna stop the recording now. RM SSH known hosts, and then do it. User add whale tag. Wow. Creating mailbox file. No such file or directory. F1. Okay. Microsoft. Now I just gotta give myself sudo. Yeah. So on my, I can just go type in my super secret password. .365 link is stupid. Yeah. Well. So we have our I got timed out in the stream, but not here. Don't just say that. You'll be timed out. Yeah, you will. How much is the timeout? I'm sorry. Well, you don't have a timeout anymore. Su root. It's a thin client that runs Windows, but you have to run a cloud version, hard mode, and it runs nothing locally. Well, I need some way to either get sudo or so emerge sudo. Can I just do this? Can I just do this like this? You have to pay for it. This is why Linux is superior. It's all free. What's this? Chat. Oh my ZSH. Yeah, I'm using Oh my ZSH, so yeah. Okay, we are installing, we're emerging sudo. You can't see a thing right now, and so we're compiling sudo. And then from there I know what I'm doing. Okay. Sudo. And then nano/etc/sudo words. I can now put this all what have I just done? All and then all. Do they still make boxed retail copies of Linux? No. I have to leave. Okay, bye. Here, accept. Sudo. Reboot. I was just saying to my girlfriend today, I'm surprised they make physical software at all. Yeah, I'm surprised I am surprised as well. So sudo. Yeah, sudo is annoying to work with. Can I sudo su? Oh wait, what? What? Can I sudo su? Oh wait, what? What? Wait, did I type something wrong? I think I typed something wrong. Oh yeah, I did lowercase. Hey, we're en route. We are en route. So, now emerge fast fetch. You should log in as root and add user sudo. What's your what? Oh, wait a minute. What? Sent late. What is this? Hold on, I'm just gonna get this fixed. Hold on. just using Chat GPT to try and help me because I don't know what I have no idea what I'm doing with Gentoo. Sup. I'm back. Fast fetch time. Disabled but requested by user space. You should enable land lock at boot time. That's what it says on the laptop. This flipping. We're gonna be emerging. Why do people hate pineapple on pizza? It makes no sense. Okay, they should eat pizza on pineapple. As an Italian, as a half Italian, I am heavily offended. I'm serious. I am heavily offended. Not get into a conversation about pineapple on pizza as you know, Italian. Forward, but agreed. No, I actually agree with you on this one. This is petrol actually smells okay. For gaming, should be. Well, I've never used Alpine, so have no idea what this is doing. I thought we were emerging fast fetch. Not literally everything else. Your own Linux distro. No, I don't. One, I don't really have the time to, and I don't want to. From scratch, and then having to update it. I don't even want to touch LFS. Hi Whale Tech, it's me. Hey, once again, I know who you are, but I don't want to reveal it. Please say hi. I did. Hello there. Yeah, I actually, for anyone wondering, I know him, but not revealing who he is. Same with... Yeah. Time. Merging fast fetch. Not literally everything else. Okay, 30, 31. Oh, now I believe that's the wrong thing. Yes! Finally! Oh my gosh! What is this theme at? A Wito Gnome? Oh no. Oh no, we have to get KDE. Finally! Go the extra mile and get this. It's Wayland and X. No. You use flags. Yeah, I'll set this up later. I will set this up later. So, just KDE Plasma desktop. I'm just gonna install this. I'll actually, yeah, I'm gonna need to fix the, type. Package thing from end. No, we don't. Gentoo, but everything is pre-compiled. I want Gentoo, but everything is pre-compiled. Essentially Arch. How many things are in here? Oh, here we go. Yep. We're good. So I'll set up the... Just hold control to skip through words. Okay, I'll do that next time. So what did I need to do in here? I needed to... And you can use up and down arrows. Fix the bin host. Let's go back. Go. Just gonna run emerge. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, I got rid of the spin host thing. A flip. text. Sorry for ping, but can you do a video on shortwave? A GNOME program that allows you to listen to internet radio stations. Yeah, I know what shortwave is. I've used shortwave, and it would be fun to maybe cover it in a video somehow. Emo just like act for Gentoo? Yes. So, yeah, where's my clipboard history? Oh yeah. Calculating dependencies. Whoa, okay. Okay, I will install 232? So I'll just leave it. And I will... Should I stop the stream for now and come back to this when, Yeah, I think I should stop the stream for now and then come back to this when this is done. My PC hates live streams. Every so often it lags and I'm behind and the quality sucks. And when I switch on live, it just ends the stream feed for me. My stream thing, and it's Wi-Fi 6. Yeah, my stream says excellent connection, so we're good. Good in terms of that. So I'm gonna do a poll here. How do I create a poll? Should I stop the stream and come back to this later? Yes. Actually, just yes or no. A lot of people saying no. Let's see. 3367. Well, I'm gonna go. Oh, and it's recording. We have a VOD as well. If I vote no, will you continue now? Yes, but I don't know. So, do you know what? I'll just leave. Just for now. I'll go that and yeah, because I have to actually go. I have to go somewhere. So yeah, I'll be right back. This coming along. 86. Gonna continue. Oh my gosh. So is this views? Yeah, this is some kind of members. Chat rate. And then now we just have chat rate. Oh my gosh, just Should I actually keep Gentoo on this? Yeah, I'm keeping Gentoo on this computer. This is my test bed, and yeah, I'm keeping Gentoo on this computer. And I was just watching the first minute of the new Michael MJD video, KDE on Windows, and maybe it's something that I should try myself, because it looks fun. We can actually do this right now if we want, but we're just gonna stick to Gentoo. So, installing KDE. Oh my gosh. Just gonna mute my mic and do this. I'm actually just gonna play some music as well. Any suggestions on what I should play? I'm just gonna end this poll right now. It's been 5 minutes, so I'm ending the poll. And I'll just mute my mic. this worked. So I don't know what the best way is to film this. I don't know what the best way is to film it. Yeah, I just resorted to watching on Chromebook because of how bad my main PC just sucks, despite being more powerful. Okay, well I get what you're trying to say. I don't know how to display SDDM. SDDM is open on the laptop screen, but I don't know how to display this. Oh, I just realised the capture card. I could use a capture card. This capture card app. This moment. Oh God. Capture card. Do I have it? I only have the USB cable for the capture card and not the capture card. Oh my gosh. Sorry for my inability to speak again. It's 6 p.m. I'm tired. I've got to go to bed soon. Well, not soon, but in a while actually. I got to go to bed. Just feel I got to go to bed. Card. I've had worse. Ow! Ow! That actually hurt. We got settings emerged. That's all that happened, and plasma loaded up. Do I have wired plasma on this? Is it done? Well, I can show you a picture of what's going on, but hold on. I need console. The best I can do right now is open up a console, fast fetch. Oh, and the doorbell just went off. I believe that's Amazon. Just Amazon. Alright, well, I got a picture. I'm gonna send it over to myself. I'm gonna post it in media. There we go. Now if I open media. Ooh, nice. Let's see, can I save this? So I put it in downloads, so we can add an image, and then downloads. Just gonna make it smaller. So here's the image that So yeah, we officially got Plasma running on this. I might do another stream of me doing more configuration, but let's save that for another time. So thank you all for being here, everybody. Thank you for suffering with me, let's say. Is KDE Neon a distro or another DE? KDE Neon is a KDE Linux distribution based on Ubuntu. So anyway, I'm going to continue with my outro. Thank you everyone for being with me and watching my pain, and I will see you next time. Bye!